Welcome back to Kiri Chronos, your go-to source for all things tech. Today, we're tackling a hot topic, the Apple AirPods 4 versus their pricier sibling, the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Are these new ANC features worth the extra cost? How do they compare in real-world use? And which one should you buy? Stay tuned as we break it all down. Design, sound quality, features, battery life, and of course value for your money. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share some tips on how to choose the right AirPods based on your lifestyle. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with what you'll notice first, the design. At first glance, the AirPods 4 and the AirPods 4 ANC look almost identical. Same stem design, same glossy finish, but Apple has introduced some subtle tweaks to make them feel more premium. Both models feature a new hinge design that's smoother and sturdier. The cases now have a slightly matte finish to reduce fingerprint smudges, finally. And both models are IPX4 rated, meaning they'll survive light splashes and sweat during workouts. But here's a small difference you might notice. The AirPods 4 ANC are just a tad heavier than the standard version. That's because they've packed in additional microphones and noise cancelling hardware. Honestly, it's barely noticeable, but it's worth mentioning if you're all about lightweight earbuds. Next up, fit and comfort. Apple has introduced new, slightly softer ear tips for both models. They're great for prolonged use, whether you're on a work call or binging a podcast. During my tests, I wore them for about 3 hours straight. Both models felt secure, and I didn't experience any discomfort. The adaptive fit technology is top notch, but the ANC model does feel a little more snug thanks to the added seal for noise cancellation. Now let's talk sound, because after all, this is what you're paying for. Both models feature Apple's latest H3 chip, delivering crisp highs, deep bass, and better spatial audio. You'll notice improved clarity, especially in genres like classical, where instrument separation really shines. But here's where the AirPods 4 ANC pull ahead. The active noise cancellation transforms how you experience music, especially in noisy environments. I tested these in a coffee shop, on a train, and even in a windy park. The difference? Night and day. The ANC is so effective that it even blocked out the hum of a passing train. Apple's adaptive transparency mode also deserves a shout out. It lets in critical sounds like voices or alarms without disrupting your music. It's perfect for staying aware while running or biking. If you're someone who loves immersive audio or commutes a lot, the ANC model is a no-brainer. But if you're usually in quiet spaces, the standard AirPods 4 will still deliver phenomenal audio. Now let's break down the features. Both models include Apple's latest personalized spatial audio, which uses your iPhone's camera to map your ear shape for a custom sound experience. It's geeky, but it works. Both also come with upgraded Find My capabilities, skin detection sensors, and instant device switching. These are quality of life features that make a big difference if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem. But here's where the AirPods 4 ANC pull ahead. Noise profiles. Using the Apple Health app, you can customize how much noise is blocked based on your surroundings. For instance, you can boost ANC for noisy flights, or reduce it for a quick office conversation. Now let's talk about battery life. Arguably one of the most important factors. Both models offer 6 hours of playback on a single charge, which is great for daily use. But here's the trade-off. If you're using ANC, expect about 5.5 hours instead. Thankfully, both cases support MagSafe and Lightning charging, giving you an additional 24 hours of juice. And with just 5 minutes of charging, you can get 1 hour of playback in a pinch. That's great if you're always on the go. Now, the big question. Is the ANC model worth the extra £50? The AirPods 4 retail for £129, while the AirPods 4 ANC come in at £179. If you're someone who prioritizes sound isolation, commutes frequently, or works in noisy environments, I'd say the ANC is worth every penny. But if you're mostly using these in quiet settings, like working from home or the occasional gym session, the standard AirPods 4 are an excellent choice. So how do you decide? Let's run through a few scenarios. If you're commuting on noisy trains or flights regularly, go for the ANC. If you're a student or a remote worker in mostly quiet spaces, the standard model is more than enough. If you're into gaming or movies, both models are equally impressive thanks to personalized spatial audio. But here's the key. Think about where you'll use them most. Don't overpay for features you won't use. So there you have it. 2 fantastic earbuds, each catering to different needs. The AirPods 4 deliver great sound and features at a reasonable price, while the AirPods 4 ANC take it up a notch with immersive noise cancellation. Which one will you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a deep dive like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm Kiri Kronos. See you in the next one.